Good morning, my dear children. So, welcome to your EVS class today. My name is Jigna Damani and our topic for today is water. We have already started the topic of water. We have finished the sources of water, the uses of water. Yes, and now we are going to study some tips on how we can save water. हम लोग पानी को कैसे बचा सकते हैं, हम लोग पानी को कैसे वेस्ट नहीं होने देंगे. ओके, सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द न्यू टॉपिक, व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस? द रिविजन. The revision is very, very important. So come, let's start with the sources of water. Yes, you can see there are some sources over here. They are well, rain, the stream, the river, the tap. Tap हमारे घर पे ही होता है, yes or no? Lake. These are some sources of water. There are some more sources like well, the hand pump. Yes, the hand pump is also a source of water. Now let us study one by one. The first important and the main source of water is rain. रेन की वजह से तो बाकी सारे सोर्सेस में पानी होता है. यस और नो? अगर रिवर का पानी सब लोग यूज कर देंगे तो वो खत्म हो जाएगा. बिकॉज ऑफ द रेन, जब भी रेन होता है, रेन का सारा पानी नीचे आता है. सो थोड़ा पानी रिवर में जाता है, थोड़ा सी में, लेक में. ऐसे रेन गिव्स वाटर टू all the different sources of water. So rain is the main source of water. Then is the sea. Sea water is not used for drinking, but it can be used for some other purposes. And the main thing is the sea water is salty. तो हमारे घर में जो salt होता है, नमक, that salt comes from this sea water only. And this water you can see when you go to the beach. जहाँ पे आप बीच पे जाते हो वहाँ पे sea water होता है. Then next is the river. River generally you see in the jungles or near the villages, and there they use the river water. The village people, जो गाँव के लोग होते हैं, they use the river water for their day to day uses, like washing the clothes, washing the utensils, giving a bath to their all the people. Yes, all the people they take bath. Some people they take near the river only. Some people they carry the water home and then they take the bath. Some people they give the bath to their animals also. Okay, then washing clothes, utensils, teacher told you. Then they take the water home to clean their house. So for cleaning purpose, and sometimes this water is also used for drinking. Then the next is lake. We all live in the city. Yes, and in the city we don't have the lake we don't have the river water to drink. So we drink the lake water. The lake water is much more pure than the river water. So we drink the lake water. Then we have the pond. This type of pond you can see in the jungles or near the roadside. The lotus grows inside the pond, and when it is in the jungle, all the jungle wild animals, they come near the pond and they drink the water from the pond. So even the pond is a source of water. The well. Well is a man-made source of water. मतलब ये इंसान ने खुद बनाया है. Yes, they dig a big deep ground. एक ग्राउंड को बहुत डीप खोदते हैं, and when the water starts coming from there, they build a wall around that, and then they tie these wooden planks, so then they can put their bucket inside and then they can fill the water from there. This water is also used for drinking in the villages. Here also in Vasai you must have seen lot of wells around. Yes or no? Then we have the hand pump or the bore well. This is also a man-made source. ये भी एकदम deep पहले they dig the ground and then this instrument is put up there, and then this person you can see he is holding a handle. वो handle को up and down continuously करेंगे तो water will come up. Then the next is dam. This is also a man-made source. मतलब जब भी रेन होता है या फिर सी रिवर में बहुत ज्यादा पानी होता है, they build a wall between that. So there is no excess water which is wasted, वहां पे ऊपर पानी को जमा करते हैं. And when it is overflowing, so slowly डैम का जो डोर होता है वो खोल देते हैं. So the water comes down and the people can use the water. This water is very useful when there is shortage of water. Then these are the different sources what we have written in our book: rain, sea, river, lake, pond, well, hand pump and dam. Now we will study the uses of water. The main use of water is drinking. Whenever we are thirsty, हमारा throat एकदम सूख रहा है, हमारा गला सूख रहा है, so we all want to drink water. Yes or no? Without the water we cannot imagine how our life will be. So water is very important for us. So these are the different uses of water which we are going to study. The first and the main use of the water is drinking. So whenever we are thirsty we drink water. हम लोग जब भी thirsty है, हम लोग को कोई भी कोल्ड ड्रिंक मिल जाएगा, हमें मिल्क शेक मिलेगा, हमें जूस मिलेगा, but we will not be satisfied. Yes, इतना मजा नहीं आएगा. But when we are really thirsty और हमें कोई पानी देगा, तो we will feel very much relaxed when we drink the water. Yes or no? And the next one is bathing. Teacher told you last time also, ये bathing नहीं है, this is bathing. इसे कहते हैं bathing. Action is bathing. The word is bath, but the action is bathing. So for taking our bath also we need water. Then the next is washing the clothes. Some people they wash their clothes in washing machine. Some people wash their clothes with their hands. So for both the actions we need water. Then is washing the utensils. बर्तन धोने के लिए पानी चाहिए. Yes, when we eat the food we use the plates, the glasses, the bowls. Yes, the spoon. So वो सब clean करने के लिए हमें पानी चाहिए. Next is cooking. Without water we cannot cook the food. कुछ भी खाना बना उसके लिए पानी चाहिए. We make दाल, we put water in that. Mama makes rice, चावल बनाते हैं, so उसमें भी we need water. Then we make the rotis, तो रोटी का आटा करने के लिए we need water. So for any kind of food we make, we will need water to cook it. So cooking के लिए भी we need water. The next action is brushing. Yes, when we brush the teeth, so our whole mouth will be filled with the toothpaste. तो पूरे दिन टूथपेस्ट वाला माउथ लेके घूम सकते हैं? No, we need to wash the mouth with the water. So for gargling हमें पानी चाहिए. For gargling we need water. Then to water the plants. Yes, we are living things. We need water for drinking. So same way the plants are also living things. तो plant को भी पानी चाहिए ग्रो करने के लिए. To put off the fire. Yes, when there's a fire everywhere, अगर आग लग जाती है तो आग को बुझाने के लिए who comes? The fireman comes in a fire engine. Yes, but fireman fire engine में क्या लेके आता है? He brings lot of water. Then with the help of a pipe, a big pipe, he will put water on the fire. तो fire चला जाएगा वहां से. So we need water to put off the fire. Then is car cleaning. Yes, कार को क्लीन करने के लिए भी पानी चाहिए. सेम वे हमारा घर क्लीन करने के लिए, मॉपिंग के लिए we need the water. Then the next is water for entertainment. मजे के लिए. Yes, when we play होली, we go for swimming, तो हमें बहुत मजा आता है. बट ये दोनों actions करने के लिए we need water. So these are the different uses of water what we have written in the book: drinking, washing clothes, washing utensils, bathing, cooking, cleaning, to put off the fire, watering the plants, swimming and mopping. So now our main topic is save water. Water को बचाना चाहिए. पर हम लोग कैसे पानी को बचाएंगे? You know this picture, what you can see, the blue picture is our earth, जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं. Earth is a planet. हम लोग इंडिया में रहते हैं. यस, इंडिया कैसे एक प्लेस है, सेम विद स्पेस में देयर आर डिफरेंट प्लैनेट्स. सो अर्थ एक प्लैनेट है जहाँ पे हम लोग रहते हैं. सो अर्थ इज मेड अप ऑफ वाटर. बट ये पानी बहुत ज्यादा है हमारे पास. बट द मेन पार्ट इज इट इज द सी वाटर, जो हम लोग पी नहीं सकते. सो हम लोग हमारे अर्थ के ऊपर पानी कैसे बचाएंगे? सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक फॉर दैट. सो व्हाट आर सम इफेक्टिव यूजेस ऑफ वाटर, इफेक्टिव वेज टू सेव वाटर, वो आज हम लोग सीखेंगे. सो हाउ वी विल सेव वाटर? सी, these are some points where you can use some tips and you can save the water in your bathroom. Okay, the first one is whenever you are brushing your teeth. Okay, जब भी आप लोग ब्रश करते हो, that time what you do, आप तो मजे से ब्रश करते हो एंड आपके हाथ में ब्रश होता है. आप अभी नींद में हो, बिकॉज सुबह उठ के सब लोग नींद में ब्रश करते हैं, यस और नो. बट आप लोग ब्रश कर रहे हो, टैप तो चालू है, पानी तो वेस्ट हो रहा है. नो, यू विल नॉट डू लाइक दैट. आप लोग एक ग्लास लेंगे, ग्लास में पानी भर लेंगे पहले ही, एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू ब्रश योर टीथ. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, आप जो ग्लास में है उतना ही पानी यूज करोगे. बाकी सब पानी जो वेस्ट होगा टैप चालू रखने की वजह से, यू आर गोइंग टू सेव दैट. ओके, सेम थिंग व्हेन पापा डज द शेविंग. पापा तो मस्त शेविंग कर रहे हैं, यस, एंड व्हाट ही डज, तो ही कीप्स द टैप ओपन. सो कितना पानी वेस्ट होता है, यस और नो. सो व्हाट ही कैन डू, ही कैन ऑल्सो फिल द वाटर इन अ कंटेनर, और वो कंटेनर में लेके पापा कैन शेव his face, yes or no. he can do shaving like that. तो सेम वे जैसे आप ब्रश करने के टाइम पानी भर के रखते हो, इफ पापा विल शेव, he can take the water in a container. So आप कितना पानी बचाओगे, yes or no. So those are some points. Then take a shorter bath. The second point is take a short bath. See here, आप शावर में नहाते हो तो शावर आप चालू ही रखते हो, साबुन भी वहीं पे लगाते हो, शावर तो चालू ही है, and so much water is getting wasted. So this is not the correct way to take a bath. If you want to take a shower bath, so what you will do, take a bath very very fast, and when you are applying the soap on your body, see this point, turn off the tap while applying soap. जब भी आप सोप लगाते हो तभी आपको पानी क्यों चाहिए when you are taking a shower. तो अगर आप शावर के नीचे ही साबुन लगाओगे तो साबुन will go away, the soap will go away, soap will not stay on your body. So what you will do, when you are applying the soap, you will turn off the tap. टैप को बंद कर देना चाहिए. और what you will do, instead of taking a shower, you can take a shower bath. नहीं लेना चाहिए. So what you will do, you will fill the bucket. बकेट में पानी भर लो, अच्छे से नहाओ, और बकेट में जितना पानी आता है you will use only that much water. हाँ, अगर आपके घर में शावर है and sometimes you feel like taking a shower bath, तो once in a while every Sunday you can do that. कभी भी एक बार आप कर सकते हो, but see to it that you take a short bath. फटाफट नहा लो, so you will not waste a lot of water. So whenever you are washing your hands, आप साबुन लगा रहे हो तो भी टैप चालू है. See this. So turn off the tap after each use. Whenever you use the tap, अभी बहुत जनों ने पैंडेमिक में सब लोग बोलते ना, हाथ धो अच्छे से हाथ धो लो. So whenever we are washing, that time also we'll see. Whenever we are applying the soap, we will keep the tap off. और हमारा जब ये साबुन लगा के हो जाएगा, that time we will switch on the tap and we will wash our hands like that. And don't flush any kind of a tissue paper, या फिर कुछ भी आप पानी के जो फ्लश टैंक है उसके अंदर कुछ भी डालोगे नहीं. ओके, एंड यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू वेस्ट द वाटर लाइक दैट, बिकॉज इफ यू पुट दैट योर वाटर विल गेट चोक्ड अप. पानी सब चोक हो जाएगा वहां पे. यस, एंड इट विल नॉट वर्क एंड इट विल वेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. सो दिस एक्शन इज नॉट गुड. So this teacher will tell you again, because this action हमारे day to day life में होता है. We will not waste the water while we are brushing our teeth. Then the next is whenever the tap is open, we are always going to close the tap. And see, कभी कभी टैप में लीकेज होता है, यहाँ पे पानी नीचे गिरता ही रहता है. Yes or no? So what we will do, immediately we will tell the elders कि किसी रिपेयर करने वाले को जल्दी से बुला लो. So who repairs the tap? The plumber. So ये पानी का जो टैप है वो प्लम्बर अंकल रिपेयर कर देंगे. So ये पानी जो वेस्ट हो रहा है वो वेस्ट नहीं होगा. See this person now. He is wasting so much of water over here. Yes or no? He is talking on the phone and he is not bothered कि कितना पानी वेस्ट हो रहा है शावर में. So this is a very very bad action. So he has to save water. Yes or no? So now teacher told you so many different ways. So you are going to follow that in your house. Now let's have some exercise in our EVS activity book. So this is your EVS activity book and this is page number 4 to 42. So you are going to take out this page. You are going to write down the date 20th of January 2021 and today is Wednesday. So you are going to write down Wednesday over here. Okay. So now read the heading. Color the circle purple below the sources of water. Now यहाँ पे there are many pictures given to you. Yes or no? There are so many pictures given to you. So first take out your purple color. अभी I am not going to do it with purple. मैं मेरे pencil से करूँगी. But you are going to take your purple color and do this. So आपको क्या करना है? Color the circle purple. मतलब ये जो circles है उनको purple करना है किसके नीचे? Below the sources of water. So जो भी sources of water है उसी के नीचे हम उसको purple color करेंगे. So the first one is rain. So rain is a source of water. Yes. So take your purple color and color this circle purple. इसको पर्पल कलर कर दो. मैंने पेंसिल से किया है बट आप पर्पल कलर से करोगे. द नेक्स्ट इज ट्री. ट्री से हमें पानी मिलता है? नो, ट्री डज नॉट गिव द वाटर, तो उसको नहीं करना है. दिस इज द सी. सी वाटर इज सॉल्टी बट हमें पानी तो मिलता है. सो यू आर गोइंग टू कलर दिस सर्कल पर्पल कलर. ओके. द नेक्स्ट इज द लेक. Lake is also giving us water. City people, they drink lake water. So we are going to color the circle purple. And these boys are flying the kite. तो हमें kite flying करके हमें पानी मिलता है? No, we don't get water like that. So we are not going to color the circle purple. Well, you can see these ladies, they are filling the water from the well. So yes, they get water from the well. So we are going to color the circle purple. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pictures you are going to do the coloring the circle purple color. After that you will turn the page. Again you are going to write the same date 20th of January 2021. Now see यहाँ पे circle नहीं, यहाँ पे boxes है, तो क्या करना है? Put a tick mark on the box. Okay, हमें tick mark करना है. But कौन से picture पे tick mark करना है? इतने सारे pictures दिए हैं. So where are we going to put a tick mark? It is on the uses of water. जो भी uses of water है उसके ऊपर हम tick mark करेंगे. So parrot is a use of water. No. Bathing? Yes. So we will put a tick mark over here. Night lamp? Night lamp चालू करने के लिए पानी चाहिए? No, we don't need water for that. Cooking? Yes, for cooking we need water. ड्रम बजाने के लिए पानी तो नहीं चाहिए, so we will not do anything over here. Then this person is drinking water. Yes, so water तो uses of water है. Then we have watering the plants. Yes. Then this uncle, he is a washerman. धोबी, जो कपड़े धोते हैं. And we have a washing machine also. So yes, इसके लिए भी हमें पानी चाहिए. So we are going to tick mark. Clock. अभी टाइम देखने के लिए पानी चाहिए हमें? No. So we are not going to do this. So do this tick mark nicely and then again turn the page and take out page number 4444. See here. Okay, again write the date over here and see. Circle the actions that will help save water. अभी आज का हमारा टॉपिक है. Yes or no? So this boy is taking a bath. वो नहा रहा है. So what is this? Take a short bath or wash. अभी हम बात करते हैं कि हम हमारा बॉडी वॉश करते हैं. So we have to take a short bath. So bath के ऊपर we will put a small circle here. Then see, this person is very very clever. वो पाइप से कार नहीं धो रहा है. He is taking water in the bucket और फिर उतने ही पानी में वो पूरी कार को धोएगा अच्छे से. So wash the car with a pipe or a bucket. No pipe. पाइप में बहुत पानी वेस्ट होता है. So we will use a bucket. Then the third one is, this girl is going to brush the teeth. So keep the tap open or closed while brushing. So while brushing we are going to close the tap. टैप को ओपन रखेंगे तो कितना पानी वेस्ट हो जाएगा? Yes or no? Yes. Now see, this boy is putting water in the plants and he is not using a pipe because उसको पता है पाइप यूज करेंगे तो बहुत पानी वेस्ट हो जाएगा. So he is taking a water container and he is using. So he can use a bucket also for that. So we are going to circle the bucket. So these 3 pages are your assignment. Do it nicely, click the photograph and send it to me. Teacher will be waiting for your assignment. So thank you my dear children. This was your EVS lesson for today. We have done the sources and the uses of water and we have learned some tips how to take care of the water and how we will save water. We will not waste water. So you are going to stay home and stay safe. You are going to save water. Have a nice day. Bye bye.